really need to call you to have some clarification and some proof. For one thing, it was happening. The unexpected accident happened in our hostel. So one hosteler boy died. That is the reason we want to express our sad for this incident.
After that,
so then we really people wanted to know what is the reason. We also don't know. Actually, this Albert de Burma, he is one of our students also in this Our Lady of Holy Cross school. So he is studying in class 6.
yes.
On that 14 November 2024 took place this accident. So as we know that on that day, it was this one Children's Day celebration. So we had program in the school. We want students to be happy and enjoy and respect their identity, dignity also. So we want them to make happy, and we had this Children's Day celebration. So as in charge of the school, I set the timing so that for the safety of the children, I set the timing 8 to 11, so that the parents also will come and fetch their own children. So the program started at 8 a.m. and then went on. Children were so happy, really so happy. The programs was really an excellent. The teachers did for them. He also took part on that, so, joining with the peers group. And then after that, the 11 o'clock not yet reached. Then the school, the program got over. Then in order to keep the discipline of the students, we send them to all their respective classes, and we make them happy. We give them a chocolate also in the classroom. As you know that it's a long period of time, so they need to go for break. So we send a short break to go for their needs. And then after that, we rang again the bell, and they went to their own classes. And before the final bell, they have to stand in line instead of giving the discipline of the students to go back to their home. So then that way. But this Albert de Burma, he is our hosteler. So normally hostelers help to the sisters to put back their things, their chairs, and then take out the decorations, all this. So, and normally they used to do that and help to the sisters. And they are so happy to do that. And then before taking out all the decorations and put back the chairs in the room, said, "Sister, can we dance?" I said. Then sister said, "Surely." Then sisters played some songs. They were dancing very happily. Then after 1-2 songs, they danced. Enough now because the sun is also hot, so it's time. Then we stop them, and then they help us to take out the decorations, all that. Then after that, finishing everything. He was one of that Albert that he helped to carry even in the staff room to put their things, orderly. He was one of that. And then after that I sent them home. I said, enough. When we finish, then they go to their hostels. And my duty when they go back, I am in charge, so I have to look all around whether things put in order or not. So I went all around and checked, and so then I I closed all that doors or the office and all. Then I went home. That is the the welfare of that, and I did that.
So when Albert diploma happening on what time?
What time the accident?
Incident. I mean, he hung.
That one I really don't know exactly. I don't know because I am not the one who is in charge in the hostel. My duty is to take care the school. Yes, my duty is to take care the school. That part I really don't know.
So now some people or some public are blaming to school, like this, sir.
Of course, this the whole premise is our Lady of Holy Cross. The whole premise. So then definitely it one name only, no? So that is just say Our Lady of Holy Cross, boys hostel or girls hostel or convent, but in one name only. So that is the thing. It got the premise blame.
The other hostel warden town step.
What do you take a step to hostel warden? Do you take any action or any step to hostel warden?
That part, I really, because normally I am fully, my work is in the school, so I did not take any action on that or any part on that. Yeah, yes, we talk with I asked the parents, shall we call police? Shall we inform police? Then the parents said no. But for our safety, nowadays, because we never know, for our safety, so we call the police. So that is the thing.
So after I came back from the school, after we finished to clean up everything, then I went to the convent. Then after that I came again and I went to the boys' hostel. Then when I went to the boys' hostel to give some, because I brought some meat for the evening, then I give for them. Then after that I went back to the convent for lunch. Then I was in the lunch and I finished eating lunch. Then I just went to my room. Then after I just few minutes in my room, I was sitting there. Then some boys, they ran, quite many of them, they ran and called from outside. Then immediately I came out. Then they had, sister, please come, emergency. Then I just came out and ran to the boys' hostel. Then when I reached, time is between 1:30 to 2. I don't know the exact time, but in between of that. So when I went there, when I reached there, so I saw it's already lying on the bed. Then after warden also he is already there. And when I reached to the hostel, so the real reason, so actually I don't know really, because I did not see with my own eyes. So but as in charge, I really feel sorry for the loss of him. And also as in charge in the hostel, it is really sad for us, and not only for me but for all of us. So after that, then we try to communicate our driver, and in between, in the middle of that, also we try to contact with the parents, and also to take immediately to the hospital.
Who saw Albert diploma body?
Who saw is one of the boys.
Name?
I think that part warden can tell, because when they explain to me in Kokborok, so I don't understand fully. So that part I think I cannot say it.
So when did you saw Albert diploma? He is hanging now.
No, when I reach, he is already on the bed, and that necktie is beside him. When I reach, he is already lying on the bed.
What about other people?
Others student also is around in the veranda, is around.
No one is.
And one of the boys are still sleeping, deep sleep. He didn't even hear anything.
School payai, mana hostel hai mante bobo mana beti khayai bona, mana hostel boba hai inga kia sai kenate.
जों हस्टेला हायमाने 11:15 का 11:15 सिमी आफ्रो तामंखा टाइम याखौ बरं माइचारने ओके बरनां सागा सारबार माइचारना नै सारबार तांखा माइचारिका माइचाबे बर प्लेट सुका आगुका ओके आंनो लास्ट माइचाबायो बाक्सा द लेरु बाक्सा बे द माइचाबाय आगुय आं लास्ट हाय आनि याकसु यागुय प्लेट सुइ हायका आं परे खैनो बरना थुदिन सागा रेस्ट खादिन हैता ओके आं एग्राउन्ड रिखा एग्राउन्ड रिबायखनो ब जतन जानो रुमो थामाके ओके आं एग्राउन्ड रिबायखनो जेफोरा आं नखना पुरो आफ्रोका तामंखा क्लास 7 आव आनो सुमु जाय किनारेन खुनाय रका सुंका ब्रदार तिनसिन तान्दा रजामना निंगा इ रजामना सिन तान आं सारो दुइताव बिको बेल तगना सिसार भान्या जों इंग्लिश गान साबलाने निसारा आं परेखनो आं साबायकेनो नखरै दै पामरना थांगा कान्यो 15 मिनिट 20 मिनिट काहेंका आंपर बर आन आगरना आनो निहिन पायटा प्रो निहिन पाय खाचिक निहिन पायनो ब्रदार हाइकार दै निसाव गाय आं दारे हाइका लेंगि दं निसाव लेंगि दंनि गाय हामा मायं दं खानसाव आंपर कान्यो खाचिका मो जुता बरक निया साइमिलिया मोबाइल बां खितारै पुरा बिन रुमो थांगान्यो वासनो दै बटल बाय किसे स्प्रिंग राय दै नादे किनां चिफका साबो नाका साइमे तो आं दै नादे किन साबका गान्यो आं आलबार नि जिर खबै बखर अंको खाटा गान्यो आं थाया जगना बड गसकरिका आं नारफिका गाय आं पराखनो दै नाका आन खरां खानाबायका साबो आनि गाना तंगा साबो बारन्दा बासा का आमो ताइलो साइमलिया साबो थुजा बासा बायका गाय आसुनटानि पाट
Apro ke boke mana rokozak da boba hai, mana nang jeno
Bung hai ke mani.
Bono da bono ka rokocang mani kyang ang rokocang mani kya spring ke tei angkanyo spring khaise kan bo kesekeri kara
Au ko thna kocher bung na bo.
150 rokong kana tu kasi go
Ngai apro sabo tong mana jenung habui puro.
ang habipuru janu ni nai tai tong na but ang recognize familia sabo tong kri but as I shout ang je chiru khopru abro ko joton haibe kya baranda basa ba kya tau sabo phai chaw ang amo saimang
chẳng có nó tự nhiên cả đi mà phải đừng có giờ nó tam một tia xây tam khai bờ leng khai sưng cái này kìa
sungka mana ampore ang saimang kata ampore
tam nó có tam xây mà cả
ampore bo ajagni adujana cerero arni tiklai tai bo kana onogo ang ke borok tiklai akoi ngai apro ang saimanai sisar hai bobu achuna nihin ba keta
Barki go bin je hostel room mit bai bulai ona kon tok lai ona
ono bulai pura enjoy bo kegro layo school logo pura kegro lalo akoi bono rawoi bono siloi akoi joton enjoy khai masana hi school
Ini suddenly apa hai step tahu mani kalau kau tamu ni wansu
ang tamon sana sa mane ang tabo on the spot bunu yang kang ba ang tamoni sana tabo on the spot sunu ya je bor an hinjang amo joton ani pat tendoron thai samani amo joton ani pat because I'm not there on the spot kering gunoi because amo racing time
Tai je bin gan au bet do tongai roka bro ka tam ke tongai.
amaro joton thujak because lengjak bono mo thudin cycle ang joton thudin as general ang joton thudine round kaserika bota mukhai tong emni bo thunani kisa ungkongo tansgamo very rare bo afternoon thumani kom
Angka bo nono to mana miawo heni to mage mana social media o kaka mana nang no batharo honi bin guardian no obotei nang tam sanai
ang men tan no thang ha kya parents pura asuki kok sai kya pura kok sai same detail ang sai tong same detail but bottom sa khapang non do silia to bukai usuren no sa dujan bung sakang thairika am pura bottom sa khana mere ki dong all the student from the hostel to have it sandengka ang mo giza thangka goban call khairo ang call khai SMS kya haibe kya haibe ako am gija pai duita ektaro hakya already minister dujon hakya em by minister nga boro already enquiry khai jaga spot ni kifili tongka bajutam sing habikya abor habikya tamka parents of jotno family parents ta student parents joton bairawo tamka sing kok sakang kai em aro thacha kok mane bor kok saka amor school do soli tong nai school do soli tong nai amon bag taw justice je soi tamung ka amno investigation haina bagai police no bor dai teni cha nga amporno aro kuchuna nai ya kono nai nor bai mane thama keta
Kami orang guardian of tangga mia mana nung mai kok sarna hanya jami dia orang terus kang tambah kayaknya kan exactly ya apro.
Anda tamu ni nangkai borok koi tahu borok time seria no koi tahu time seria borok 10 tada 12 tada but ang time mereka 12 tahu time mereka parents of already borok hajat bisingo but boni planning tama sami borok 3 tahu haja ang arab thangli ada amo kharma ni kok ya तो का थांगै नुजेल दा बिकॉज बरक जे हाइमानि तै अमो एकदम वाइल्ड
जे दिनो इंसिडेंट नंगौ आ दिनो बो नों खारि थांगाने आबो गोबां मा कक कासाय दंखा आबो खाय गोसो दिखौ आबो
पुलिस न नासिंका पास्ता टाइम सारिंका आं आब्रो तामखा पुलिस न नासिंगा कोइसे रुमा हाबैका एनक्वायरी का इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पुलिस दंगो दाइ सिस्टार दंगो आनि इनचार्ज ang warden ni saka angka ta dujona student tongo ang jotono ang first ang warden ne saka o jaga oni sarno kunuka ang bor dujona explain khaikya angka investigation paibe kya joton enquiry paibe kya apuro bor ekdom phan chotone akoi saitong angka ba ang saito thangara angka ba ani septin ba dang first man ane ble aro je kok sang bono bo ya kharu police hakangka police tamsa apuro officer जे ओं माने आमो पोस्टमर्टम बन रेजल्ट मानन ता न बन सिली तां खाने
150 ni 150 ko ekta 50 ni bugotna police na inform khaimu kwada inform khaijaka ta police asu dori sogilia
police on the spot aro haya but ngo thanga chanchuo bo soike dare yang khali ange bain dare thanga because aro se thanga dead body